As they say, age will always catch up with you no matter what. That's true, but not completely true. There are few persons that have been able to delay the signs of aging by following some simple anti-aging diet. That is why I had to research the 8 best anti-aging foods that can make you look younger. As you know, aging starts from the inside out, which is only logical to care for yourself from the inside out also. Studies have shown that people who stick to food high in antioxidants tend to delay the effects of aging easily. Antioxidants are found in fruits and vegetables like strawberries, raisins, prunes, blueberries, raspberries, spinach, and etc. But beyond antioxidant foods, here is a list of food that will reverse the aging clock for you once you add it to your diet plan. 1. Fatty fish. Fish that are high in omega-3 fatty acids like tuna, salmon, sardines, mackerel, and herring are very essential for anti-aging and also healthy skin. Omega-3 keeps the body young by preserving a DNA segment in your white blood cell called telomeres. The telomeres are usually shortened as a result of aging, but it was found out that middle-aged individuals who ate a lot of foods with omega-3 fatty acids tend to have these telomeres in quantum, which automatically resulted in them looking much younger with glowing skin. Fatty fish is also loaded with vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties, and also zinc. In case you don't know, zinc has healing minerals in it that heal wounds fast, also removes acne from the face. 2. Nuts. Nuts are also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, zinc, and other minerals that can help your skin look young and fresh. Walnuts and almonds are also very examples of nuts that are loaded with anti-aging nutrients, mostly because of omega-3. By taking diets made from walnuts, you protect and keep your brain youthful, while reducing your cholesterol and risk of heart disease. 3. Avocado. Avocados are also a good anti-aging source because they are filled with healthy fats and nutrients that increase your skin's suppleness and moisture barrier. Avocados are also high in carotenoids, which protect the skin from damage caused by the sun. 4. Ginger. This is a very powerful antioxidant that fights wrinkles and quick aging. People who add ginger to their food on a regular tend to rejuvenate their skin texture. Ginger includes gingerol, an antioxidant that protects your skin from free radical damage and prevents rapid collagen degradation, slowing down the aging process. Fresh ginger root should always be used in cooking, as ground ginger loses some of its gingerols when it is cooked. 5. Pomegranates. Pomegranate seeds include essential compounds, such as vitamin C, D, E, and K, as well as selenium, magnesium, and proteins, among others, to combat diseases and aging markers. All of these drugs contain anti-aging properties. Here are ways you can use pomegranates. 1. You can use them to make smoothies or juices. 2. Serve with a salad of mixed vegetables or fruit for a tasty treat. 3. Topping: pomegranate seeds on avocado toast. 4. Serve with a salad of mixed vegetables or fruit for a tasty treat. 6. Collagen. Collagen has been the most important factor in keeping young and healthy. Marine collagen peptides boost your body's antioxidant levels, while also protecting your skin. It also aids in the healing and renewal of the skin. Collagen-rich diets include fish, vegetables, citrus fruits. 7. Papaya. Papaya is a wonderful skincare food. Extracted papayas can be found in several skincare products. As a result of its papain content, it is an anti-aging agent. It's also high in antioxidants, which help protect the skin and slow down the aging process. This fruit can be eaten raw or made into face packs using papaya pulp. 8. Wild blueberry. Long ago, it was discovered that wild blueberries contain anti-aging qualities. Pound per pound, contain more antioxidants than any other food. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, which have been related to anti-aging benefits. Anthocyanins, which are found in blueberries, protect your body against free radical damage and other ailments. In research, blueberries were also proven to provide cognitive benefits. Its flavor is good, and its glycemic index is relatively modest. This easy anti-aging snack keeps your stomach small and your face appears younger, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties.